Hi everybody, Timothy Benton here, professional wedding and portrait photographer. Today we're out here at Lake Elsinore. I'm going to show you guys how to do portrait composites, where we're going to shoot one image of the background and then we're going to do a second image of our model with our light and then combine those two in Photoshop. So we're going to get to that in just a second. I'd like to introduce my beautiful model Robin.
Hi!
And we're going to show you guys how we do it here in the field, and then I'll show you guys on the computer how we blend the two together. That's coming up right now. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and take my plate shot here real quick. Now I'm going to bring my model and my light in, and then we'll just combine those two in Photoshop. Alright Robin, go ahead and step in. Right about here. Ready? Give me a pose, give me a nice pose. Alright guys, we got the two shots and I'll show you how we combine them when we get back on the computer. Alright guys, I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to mask out the light in this image. So I'm going to select both my images in Lightroom, go up to Photo, Edit In, open as layers in Photoshop. Just a disclaimer, in the video you'll see me shooting my plate shot without the tripod. I only had one tripod down there and that had my video camera on it. So I shot the video showing you guys me taking the plate shot and the model shot. But those aren't actually the shots I used for it. I used my tripod and got the shots after I turned the camera off. So just to be transparent with you guys. Let's get these open here. They'll open up as separate layers. So what I like to do first is select both layers, go up to Layer, Align, and Horizontal Centers, just so the images are perfectly aligned. And I like to start with the shot with the actual model and the light on the top. So throw a mask on there. Go grab your paintbrush, make sure your foreground color is black, and basically just paint this guy right out. Super easy, no selections involved. That's it. Then you can basically flatten the image, save it, and go back into Lightroom and make any other adjustments you want to make. I've already done this one, so I'm not going to save it. Don't save. Back in Lightroom, I'll show you my final image, which I think was this one here. Oh wait, no. This one. We'll actually remove the fence over here. A little bit of sharpening, add a little bit of contrast. That's pretty much it. Alright everybody, wrapping up our shoot here, the portrait composites. If you guys got something out of it, give me a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. This channel is all about photography, video, and gear reviews. And you want to say bye to everybody?
Bye!
We'll definitely catch you guys at the next one, and when I get home I'll show you guys how to blend those two composites into Photoshop. Remember, always pursue your passions, keep crushing it. See you next time.